In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Asana. To begin, log into your Hubspot account. Make sure you are signed into the correct workspace before moving forward, since the integration will be connected to the account you are currently using. Once you are inside Hubspot, go to the top right area of the navigation bar and look for the Marketplace icon, which appears as a shopping bag. Click on that icon to open the menu, then select App Marketplace. This will take you to the section where Hubspot lists available apps and integrations that can connect with your account. When the App Marketplace page loads, find the search bar and type in Asana. This will help you quickly locate the correct integration. As the results appear, look for the official Asana integration card. It is important to choose the official listing so that you are connecting the right app and using the supported integration between the two platforms. Click on the Asana integration card to open its details page. Here you may see a short overview of what the integration does and what kind of access it requires. When you are ready to continue, go to the top right corner of that page and click Install App. This starts the connection process between Hubspot and Asana. After you click Install App, a pop-up window will appear. This window is used to complete the authorization on the Asana side. If you are not already logged into Asana, you will be asked to sign in first. After that, Asana will show a permission screen explaining what the integration needs access to in order to work properly. Review that information carefully so you understand what is being connected. To continue, click Allow. This grants the necessary permissions and authorizes the connection between your Hubspot account and your Asana account. Once approved, the integration should complete, and the two apps will be linked. If the pop-up does not appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can interrupt the authorization process. It is also a good idea to stay logged into both platforms during setup to make the process smoother and faster. Once the connection is complete, Hubspot and Asana will be integrated and ready for use. That covers everything you need to know.